welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and I want to introduce you today to part one of a 4-part series we're going to do where I am going to show you one menu item, but I'm going to show you it done regular and how it's done light. Just a few minor changes can make a major difference in your meal. I'm going to show you exactly where I've cut calories, cut fat, so we can show you the difference. I want to thank you first of all for being here. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so down below. We're gonna make double wrap tacos today, and what I mean by double wrap is it's going to have a nice soft tortilla outer shell. We're gonna have a little fixins in between, and then we're gonna put a crunchy shell in the center and have a hard taco in the middle. So we have all those different awesome textures. We're gonna make just a few minor changes, and I'll point those out along the way. Let's go ahead and make our regular tortilla, our regular double wrap taco first, and then we'll make the light, and then I'll explain the changes that we've made along the way. So let's go ahead and make our regular, delicious double wrap taco now. There are a couple ingredients that we're going to use on both of the tacos, both the lean and the mean, as I like to call them. We're going to use some fresh tomatoes, and we're also going to do some fresh sliced up lettuce. So we're going to go ahead and chop up these fresh tomatoes and just chop up enough that you need, and I'm going to set these aside. And of course, with any of the fresh ingredients, you can go to town with these. So this is not really part of the calorie count. So even though you can put it in there. The other item we're going to use is some fresh sliced iceberg lettuce. We're going to slice all this up and just set it aside. So these are the ingredients for the mean taco. We have a regular tortilla land taco, a taco shell, ground beef, full fat sour cream, cheese is going to be the star of the show, and then of course just any store-bought salsa, our fresh tomatoes, and lettuce. So we're going to start with our tortilla land tortilla. And again, like I said, the cheese is the star of this show. So we're going to take any kind of Mexican blend, cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack, and spread it over the tortilla, melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And while it's still warm, we're going to attach that hard-shelled taco to the inside. So we're creating our layers here. We're going to use 85% ground beef in this. So you can use any level of ground beef. Obviously, the less fat, you're going to save more calories. That's what I picked for this mean taco. Any store-bought salsa, this is paste picante sauce. You can use whatever you would like. And again, you can add in as much or as little as you want in this. This is our full fat sour cream, and this is one of the game changers you'll see in the second taco. We're going to load this up with some more cheese because it is a mean taco. Our fresh tomatoes are going to go on top of that. And then we're going to put a bunch of that fresh lettuce over the top. So although this is a mean taco, we still kept it fresh and kept it delicious. And I mean, it's lighter than you could go still, but isn't that still a beautiful taco and all that melted cheese? So this is our lean taco. This is a Mission Carb Balance Tortilla. So high fiber, low fat, low calories, low fat sour cream, fat-free refried beans. I did ground turkey, seasoned ground turkey for this one. And then of course our fresh lettuce, fresh tomato. We're still going to put cheese in here and our store-bought salsa. So let's build this guy. We have our tortilla. As you can see, it's the same size as our other tortilla. We're going to start with, instead of the cheese, we're going to replace this with the fat-free refried beans, and we're going to smother this over the top. Again, these beans are so healthy for you, so low in calories, and they're very filling. Now this is our binder, so we're going to take our hard shell taco and we're going to squish it in here and get it all stuck in so it holds together. Here comes our ground turkey. I just used a regular taco seasoning on these, and again, ground turkey, this is 90% lean ground turkey. Again, there's more levels of that you can use as well. We're going to add that cheese so you still get cheese. You know, people get nervous about, I'm going to cut calories so I don't get cheese anymore. Nope, we have cheese in here. Our store-bought salsa over the top. Low-fat sour cream. Now, I found that low-fat sour cream is really a nice transition from full fat. I do not like to go fat-free. I don't think it tastes very good at all. so I will only go low fat on that. Our fresh tomatoes and our fresh lettuce on top. Side by side, mean and lean. They both look delicious. So once again, just tiny small changes. The only thing we did different was the type of meat we used, the cheese as the binding ingredient in the regular one, the refried, fat-free refried beans as the binder in the light one, and the low-fat sour cream versus regular sour cream. We did change the tortilla as well. Instead of a regular tortilla, we did use a health-conscious tortilla. You saw they're the exact same size. So the big reveal here is the regular taco is 515 calories and 25 grams of fat. Your light taco, double wrap taco, came in at 359 calories and only 15 grams of fat. So we cut almost 150 calories and 10 grams of fat. And as you can see, they're both beautiful and we're gonna try them, but I know they're gonna be delicious. So once again, I'm just giving you options here. You can pick and choose how far you want to go with these. There's nothing wrong with the regular double wrap taco. They are delicious. If you're trying to be health conscious and trying to meet some goals, this is a light version where you can enjoy, and you can make both for the family, and you can see how easy it was because you use so many of the same ingredients. So it wouldn't be a one hot bite if we didn't try these. Let's try the regular one first. These are so big. That's so good. The biggest thing you're gonna get out of the full fat one, the regular double wrap taco, is that cheese. That really chewy cheese that is binding that together and creating that extra layer. Let's try the light one. Ooh, this one feels heavier. The tortilla on this one is just a little less chewy. It's a little bit softer, but the beans taste so good in that. It's a really great flavor. You still get the cheese that we put on top, but it's not so heavy in cheese in the other one. Again, I'm just here giving you options. I'm not telling you one is better than the other. They're both fabulous tacos. I've made these for my family thousands of times. This is a family favorite. So with 4 simple changes, 150 calorie different, 10 whole grams of fat different. If you're watching your intake and you're watching your weight, or you're trying to lose a couple pounds, this is an easy way to cut back and still enjoy your evening. So happy double wrap taco day. I'll see you next time, and we're gonna make eggnog. So you're gonna see the differences that we're gonna do there. But I love you guys, and I will see you next Monday.